Think about shit that I should've done. He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not good enough. Think about shit that I should've done. So I tell him it's fun of me. He make it.
Hi guys, we're back again this week. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Hilda Edeki, and if you are new here, please ensure to subscribe and put on your notification bell, engage on my post, comments, like, so you could be notified of new videos whenever I upload. In today's video, we're actually doing a product review. I think the vlog we did last week, I was telling you guys about a new tripod I bought. So we're going to review it together. So guys, this is the tripod stand. It comes with a face tracking device. It's so portable. It comes with a shutter. It's stable. It's just everything I want in a tripod. And I'll show you guys why. So let's open the tripod. Guys, so this is a tripod. This is very good for people that like to vlog, move around with a tripod, or travel like me with a tripod. So it fits into your luggage very well, perfectly. So it just has one phone stand, actually. I think that's the only thing, but it's not really a big deal. So I put on the face tracking sensor. So you just release this and place it on the floor. It's just going to be turning wherever you go to. Let's say you're walking around a lot, like that, guys. So this is the tracking sensor. Let me show you guys. So it came with the shutter. I mean, in 2025, you shouldn't be getting a tripod that doesn't come with a shutter. I mean, almost all the tripods have shutters because and this is where it just fits in here, just like that. Then you put your phone here. Let me show you guys. Place your phone on it like this, and it just stays that way. And you could actually turn it up if you want and lock it in. So it's just perfect. So it's very, and guys, you know the best thing about this tripod for me, you could actually extend it to as long as it's actually taller than me, as long as possible. Like, this tripod is long. It's that's why I was like, guys, okay, I think there was a video I actually did, and I was actually seated on my bed, and I just placed it on my bed like this. I didn't have to extend it. It was just so perfect. It was just it was just so perfect. It came with a manual. To be honest, guys, I didn't really read the manual. I mean, it's very easy to use, so I didn't really feel the need to. It's actually produced by a company named Royce, as in ROHS, Royce. So for you to release or put on the motion sensor or the face sensor, you have to actually there's a click here. You just click this down or up, down to lock it. When you lock it, it doesn't move around. Maybe you don't want it moving around. Then when you take it up, your movement, it just tracks your movement. So guys, that's it for this video. Let me know if I can't remember how much I got this tripod, to be honest. But I'll check and I'll let you guys know. If you actually want to purchase the tripod, just comment tripod in the comment section, and I'm going to send you the address. Yeah, I'm going to send the address to you guys. So that's literally it for this video. If you watched this video to this very point, I am so grateful. Thank you. Thank you for engaging on my post. Thank you for liking, commenting. Thank you for subscribing. And till my next video on Friday, see you guys next week.